sorry.
Well, you can build, but
I'm fat too.
The system is working, B.
All the money do downstairs. For me, a fat.
Yeah, digestive system working, buddy.
Oh,
Look for
mine at work too. That's what me I sweat. Look at this shit.
Yeah, fresh fry egg. No, what you feel like?
It doesn't stop, yo.
hey, you want to get me now when I turn bungalow? Too much fun.
Yeah, give me your phone. Mom, get over there. No, I'll get you guys individually, then together.
Yeah. Don't feel no way thick catch we still enough.
You ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Mom.
All mango tree now.
Every fruit tree you can
And
get
calabash.
can get few.
All jelly in it to brown skin.
Sour orange.
Where's the orange tree there?
Right, this one.
Oh.
That's already.
Okay, that's it.
Mom, let me.
Yeah, dragon buckley.
Hold it again.
Hey, apple there.
Apple is there?
Yeah.
Ready for eat?
No, I'm not.
I'm videoing you. You don't have to stand there.
That's the best time ever.
Sit down on me eye. He has it.
You see brown tree? No. Where orange tree that's it? Apple in wild apple.
I caught you. The tongue sweating on me eye. Here.
Okay.
Yo, this is a big ass piece of cow shit.
Yeah, shit funny about them.
No respect, dog.
Once them yum is good.
Oh, okay.
Fair enough analogy.
See?
Once you price them, then you see.
Oh, I'd love to see a coconut right now.
Look, this what them green.
Yeah, no, but the right ones. The best ones are the green ones.
The juice, look at farming juice.
I'll climb that tree.
Oh, for real?
They're the one that stop pressure.
You can climb that tree there?
What? Which one?
You see that coconut tree like this.
Yeah, it's not hard, though. I used to do it from a young youth, yo.
You know what's that? You can climb that?
Yes, dog.
You mind just having a grass for a bush to make me have to go.
So you have to find him first.
I used to.
Really?
Can I use it to make kite, dog?
Those are our entertainment, not social media.
Yep.
Look, people are ancestor, man.
No, man, the termite, that dog.
I see him thing, man.
Termites aren't ants.
No, but what I like the word, telling thing.
Oh.
Yes. So you know that how you cheat too hard and you drop the
They're not gonna bite you.
meow.
No.
You know how to do it.
Termites bite people.
Of course.
I never got bitten by. I used to do it, Mom. I used to do it a lot as a little kid. Take the stick and jam them up in there.
Yeah, you jam them with your run.
Stand up on the floor.
You can bite it to the That's what is you alive, yeah?
Well, I used to do it enough. I never got bitten, so.
They're like, you take your piranha,
Uh,
but they're just small and they're
I
buff.
mean, one of the worst type of fish in the world, dog. Them fish are literally name anything.
What fish?
Piranhas, yeah?
Oh, piranha, yeah. I don't eat anything.
Can't eat them fish, eh?
Not?
Alright. Yeah, come again, Mary. We're going to book round so now. Again.
You guys are going around there?
Really shrimp.
Yeah.
Yo, come. Let's go, though. You wanna go?
Go bush your ass around there.
Whatever. Where's the other one?
Use your own man, you know, dog.
Like if you laugh, you're not like a big young.
Oh, it's actually a gate to walk through? It's not bad.
And to lock the back of them too. I call them penguin.
You let that out. You better run from here, so.
You don't know what to do.
Mom, you look like a real hiker, man. Like, you actually look cool. With the backpack on. But dog, when we done edit this, it's gonna look like a movie.
I wish I can plant here again.
Oh, that's a big ass pile of shit. Oh, Bob, you just barely almost missed this.
Where you plant here again, Danny?
And you guys don't see no fish in this, dog? I hate hearing that word. And the one thing that buns me is that yesterday, man, being on the boat and seeing those goddamn fishes, and I hooked my parrot and once I think it's American snapper. Yeah, the one I'm can't even go down in the water properly. Sometimes you should be able to can just put your hand